Favi Hoarder here, and today I am participating in the Craft Room Organization Challenge, hosted by Tammy of Crafty Pete, Favi of Arrows DIY, and their special guest host Kristy of Kristy's Crafty Cottage. Thank you, ladies, for putting together this collaboration. It gave me a good excuse to clean up my work area. Yes, it's the first horizontal surface when you walk into the door, and it catches everything. Since I started making the miniatures, I started looking for little bins at thrift stores and things where I could put small pieces of wood, and going through a lot of my collection of beads, so I have like wooden beads and things to work with. So I had already started compiling a little work area, and then I found these bins for 25 cents each. And I thought, oh, these would be great to put some stuff in. I love thrifting and finding things that I can use for stuff like this. My life is such a hodgepodge anyway, but I do want to mention that that other end of the counter, that's my husband's mess. I'm not the only messy person in the place. Our house and our shop was built in 1969, so we're dealing with a lot of vintage stuff here. It's not just clean. I actually added a few things. I'm a little bit more organized and found some things I needed to put out. So I added some sandpaper, and that's a project I need to finish, and have some other projects that are sitting on the counter that I still need to do, and they're just tucked up in a shelf now where I have to get on a ladder to get to them, but I'll get to them soon. And then here's a little space, more spaces you can see for more stuff. And there's my airbrushes, I have two. And then it's my cutting circle things, just stuff that I had, and I tried to put it all together. So my organization's still a little bit off. There's things that I would rather be doing, but here's a great place to keep some doors and pieces that are bigger for furniture or whatever I want to build. And accessories, those are some windows for dollhouses. Of course, you got to have your popsicle sticks. You'd be surprised all of the cool things you can make in miniature out of ordinary things. And this little stickers that I stuck in there, I thought they'd be kind of cute for trim or something. I don't know. So my creativity abounds, and I see something I think I could use it. I want to thank Tammy, Favi, and Kristy for hosting this collaboration, and I want to remind you all to please check out the playlist and all the ideas the other participants shared on how they organized their craft area. I got this thrifting. It did have a spot that was stretched out and kind of raised up where someone had maybe hit it with a heat gun, but all I did was put it out in the sun, and it flattened back out. And I only paid $3 for it, and it's great for this work area. It's always great to find just what you're looking for when you're out thrifting. And here's my little chop saw that I got back when, I guess, Memorial Day. I still haven't used it. And there's my little table saw, and in the background I found some paint that I hadn't even checked to see if it's still usable, but I stuck it on that shelf anyway. Those Lazy Susans I have had for over 25 years, I think, before we moved into this house. We do call our shop our barn because it has a gambrel roof, but my whole family spent a lot of time out there doing a lot of projects. I was able to fit my paper storage under the counter, which I was so happy about, so that worked out really well, and I'm so glad I finally got this done. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will join me on Tuesdays at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time when I go live making miniatures with Nancy of Little Treasures by Nancy.